The action camera world is evolving faster than ever, with industry giants like DJI and GoPro locked in a battle to redefine innovation and functionality. But now, as DJI gears up to shake things up in the 360 degrees camera space with the Osmo 360, all eyes are on Insta360 to see how they'll respond. The stakes are higher than ever. Enter the Insta360 X5, a device still shrouded in mystery, but already sparking waves of excitement across the content creation and adventure communities. Buzzing with bold rumors and sky-high expectations, this rumored powerhouse could be the ultimate game changer for immersive storytelling. So what's the hype all about? Let's dive into the details and explore why the Insta360 X5 might just rewrite the rules of 360 degrees filmmaking forever. Insta360 seems to be taking a bold step forward in addressing one of the most persistent challenges of 360 degrees cameras: lens durability. With its predecessor, the Insta360 X4, the company introduced removable lens guards, a practical feature akin to UV filters on traditional cameras, offering a baseline level of protection. However, early whispers about the Insta360 X5 suggest the brand is pushing this concept even further with advanced protective measures. This innovation could shield the camera's protruding lenses from scratches and damage, common hazards for 360 degrees cameras, without sacrificing the optical precision needed for immersive footage. Given that repairs or replacements for damaged lenses can be both costly and logistically complex, integrating robust safeguards into the X5's design could make it a far more dependable choice for adventurers and professionals operating in rugged environments. Striking the perfect balance between enhanced durability and maintaining the sleek, portable form factor that made the X4 so popular will undoubtedly be key to the X5's success. Another highly anticipated leap forward lies in the rumored upgrade to the camera sensor. The Insta360 X5 is said to feature a larger 1-inch sensor, a significant jump from the X4's 0.5-inch counterpart. This enhancement would allow the camera to capture more light, translating to vastly improved low-light performance and richer overall image quality. Currently, the X4 delivers 22 megapixel resolution in 360 degrees mode and 18 megapixels in directional mode. If the X5 adopts this larger sensor, it could elevate these capabilities even further, producing sharper, more detailed visuals that align with the demands of professional content creators. For filmmakers and photographers who rely on impeccable image fidelity, this advancement could position the X5 as an indispensable tool. Audio, often an overlooked aspect of action cameras, is another area where the X5 is expected to shine. Historically, subpar sound quality has been a common pain point for action cameras, but the X5 aims to change the game. Drawing inspiration from modern smartphones like the iPhone 16, which utilize AI-powered noise cancellation and smart audio processing, the X5 is rumored to incorporate similar cutting-edge technologies. These potential upgrades could transform how action cameras handle sound, ensuring crisp, clear audio even in challenging conditions, whether you're braving windy mountaintops or navigating bustling city streets. By delivering high-quality audio alongside its stunning visuals, the X5 could emerge as a truly versatile device, catering to creators who demand excellence in every aspect of their work. Among the most intriguing rumors surrounding the Insta360 X5 is the potential inclusion of GPS tracking, a feature that has recently become a game changer in devices like the GoPro Hero 13. By enabling users to geotag their photos and videos, GPS functionality adds an entirely new layer of storytelling depth for travel vloggers, outdoor adventurers, and creators aiming to craft immersive narratives. This capability would allow users to map their journeys, create detailed timelines, and provide context to their content, transforming raw footage into compelling visual stories. For Insta360, integrating GPS could significantly broaden its appeal, bridging the gap between professional-grade tools and user-friendly devices for everyday creators. By catering to both hardcore explorers and casual users looking to elevate their content, the X5 could solidify its place as a versatile powerhouse in the action camera market. Overheating has long been a challenge for action cameras, particularly during prolonged high-definition recording sessions. However, the Insta360 X5 is rumored to tackle this issue head-on with an advanced cooling mechanism, potentially drawing inspiration from innovations like the enhanced heat sink design in the GoPro Hero 13. This cutting-edge thermal management system could enable longer recording durations without the risk of overheating, making the X5 a more reliable choice for capturing extended events, whether it's a marathon, a hiking expedition, or a day filled with spontaneous moments. Additionally, the X5 is expected to feature improved power efficiency, reducing the need for frequent battery swaps during intensive shoots. These enhancements could make the device a dependable companion for creators who demand uninterrupted performance, further elevating its appeal in competitive scenarios. While official pricing details remain under wraps, industry insiders speculate that the Insta360 X5 will be strategically positioned within the $499 to $599 range. This pricing strategy would place it squarely in competition with heavyweights like GoPro and DJI's Osmo 360, offering a compelling mix of advanced features at an accessible price point. Striking this balance will be critical for Insta360 to maintain its leadership in the burgeoning 360 degrees camera market. If the company delivers on its rumored promises, superior lens protection, a larger sensor, enhanced audio quality, and GPS tracking, the X5 could emerge as a standout choice for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Its ability to blend durability, performance, and innovation could redefine what users expect from an action camera. If these speculations hold true, the Insta360 X5 could very well set a new benchmark in the world of 360 degrees cameras, while remaining approachable for hobbyists? Or will the pressure to innovate prove too great to meet user demands? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think the X5 will deliver on its promises? Or is it setting itself up for disappointment? Share your insights in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for updates on the latest tech innovations. With the X5, the future of 360 degrees cameras might just be closer than we think.